Welcome back. Today, we'll discuss a fascinating topic. Can you earn 1 crore from the stock market? Let's dive in. Can you make 1 crore from stocks? Yes, it's possible. But it's important to understand that investing in stocks comes with both opportunities and risks. So, let's explore how you can potentially achieve this financial milestone. Section 1. Foundational Knowledge. The stock market is where people buy and sell shares of companies. To succeed, you need to know a few basics. Market basics. The stock market allows you to invest in companies and benefit from their growth and profits. Investing versus trading. Investing involves long-term growth, while trading focuses on short-term price fluctuations. Risk and reward. Stocks carry risks, but historically, they have delivered attractive returns over the long term. Section 2. Strategies for growth. Here are a few strategies to potentially earn 1 crore. Long-term investing. Invest in established companies with strong growth potential, and hold on to the stocks for a long time. Diversification. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries to reduce risks. Systematic investing. Consistently invest a fixed amount at regular intervals to benefit from rupee cost averaging. Section 3. Risks and cautions. It's essential to be aware of the risks and exercise caution. Volatility. Stock prices can be unpredictable and may fluctuate significantly. Market uncertainty. Economic and geopolitical factors can impact stock prices. Stay informed and be prepared. Emotional discipline. Emotions can lead to poor investment decisions. Stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive choices. Remember, earning 1 crore from the stock market takes time, knowledge, and discipline. It's not a quick fix. Also, keep in mind that the stock market carries risks, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Research, seek advice if needed, and make informed decisions based on your goals and risk tolerance. That's it for today's video. We hope you gained valuable insights into earning 1 crore from the stock market. Remember to approach it with caution and a long-term mindset. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance-related content. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.